Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Flybot Wave Wireless Earphone. So there's an image of the wireless earphone on the box. You will notice these are in-ear design earphones with ear hoops on them. There is an inline remote over here as well. We will take a look. This also comes with a black and orange color combination, but we will see if this is the combination that we get. On this end we have some specification. This says playback time is 5 hours, effective transmission 10 meters, and transmission when connected to Bluetooth. It supports Bluetooth version 5.0, charging time is less than 2 hours, standby time is more than 70 hours. This is sweat resistant and comes with a 70 mAh battery. Now I will open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go, these are the components of the box. Let's take a look at these documents first. We have the user's manual for the Flybot Wave wireless earphones. Everything that you need to know you will find in this particular document. And these are warranty cards and extended warranty from Flybot. We also have a micro USB charging cable. This is the cable that you use to charge this particular device. And this packet we have 3 sets of silicone tips for the earbuds and a cable management clip. Let's quickly take a look. Large one, medium, and these are the small ones. Finally, we have the clip. This is the cable management clip that comes with this particular packet. Now let's take a look at the Flybot Wave wireless earphones. So it's in this packet. Let me just take it out. And there you go. This is what the Flybot Wave wireless earphone looks like. There's already a cable management button over here. As you can see, you can use this to manage the cable. Speaking of the cable, this is a flat TPE cable. You'll notice these flat TPE cables don't get tangled easily in any case. And on top of that, this particular button over here and this clip will make sure that they don't get tangled at all. This is the inline remote that you'll be using. This inline remote comes with a nice matte black and chrome finish. This is a very classy looking, very fashionable and classy looking earphones, I must tell you. And this inline remote over here has a button right at the center. This is the power on off button, and you have a plus minus button for changing volume and changing tracks. And in this flap over here you will find a micro USB charging port for when you want to charge this device. One second, and underneath you notice the Flybot logo. Next up we have the earphones in question. These are in-ear design earphones, you will notice, and these also comes with a slight angle over here. And they also have these very flexible silicone, actually no, they're made out of plastic, but they're very flexible ear hoops right over here. What I'm going to do now, I will power this on and I will try to pair it with my smartphone. One second, there you go. I'll try to pair it with my smartphone. I'll go to the smartphone Bluetooth page on my smartphone. I'm here right now. I will turn this on by clicking on this button over here. Let's see. Okay, there you go. You will notice there is a blue light blinking. It's blinking blue and red actually. This basically means that this device is now in powering mode. So I will refresh the Bluetooth settings page and see if I get a new device. I'm getting a Flybot Wave option over here that you can see. I'm going to click on that. Now I'll click on pair. Okay, there you go. It says it's active and has 60% battery. I will now play some music. It works great actually. The sound is very good and clear. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Flybot Wave wireless earphone. Thank you for watching.